Hello, welcome back to Just Learn Civil. This is the new tutorial. We will learn about the replacement of sand in concrete. In this series, we will talk about some civil breakthroughs. Before delving into the topic, let us start with question: what is concrete? Concrete is the mixture of cement, sand, aggregate, and water. When mixed in a given proportion, it forms concrete. We see concrete around us, like for the construction of building, roads, etc. Now, the video talks about what could be the replacement of sand in the concrete, and why do we need the replacement of sand. Since there is going to be a sand crisis in the future, we will know why we need the replacement of sand. Now, concrete being the second most consumed material after water, and it is essential for the urban development, for the infrastructure development. All the roads, buildings you see around us, mostly infrastructures are made from the concrete. And sand forms the essential part of concrete, which leads to sand mining. Sand mining means obtaining sand from the mine. But sand mining is surpassing its natural restoration. That means sand is being more mined, or sand is being taken from the nature more amount than the nature is restoring the sand, and hence this will lead to sand crisis in the future. Also, unregulated sand mining poses threat to river and coastal ecosystem. Thus, the solution would be replacing sand with something else. Now, as per the research, replacement of concrete aggregate with coal-driven flash graphene 2023 published in ACS Applied Materials and Interfaces. A type of graphene has been obtained from the coal through metallurgical processes by flash Joule heating, and this graphene could serve as a substitute for sand in concrete. Flash Joule heating means to heat a material to extremely high temperature within a fraction of seconds. How it is done is electricity is passed through a material which has high resistance. Due to resistance, the electricity is converted into heat, which ultimately heats the product within fraction of seconds. And this technique is used to produce graphene. When the result was compared with the conventional concrete and the graphene-based concrete, the mechanical properties were found to be same. Moreover, high strength to weight ratio was found. That is, graphene-based concrete was found to be 25% lighter than the conventional concrete. Conventional concrete means concrete using sand, but it was as tough as the conventional concrete. Thus, graphene could act as a replacement of the sand. However, how it is going to be produced in mass quantity and how it is going to be supplied would remain as a topic for the research in the future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment for the further questions.